Before Ogrims shows us his Boche, I'd caution you that this contains caffeine. Be aware that caffeine and alcohol can be a dangerous combo, so please brew and drink responsibly. Uppers and downers don't cancel each other out and can lead to serious problems including death. Caffeine does not ferment out. A couple ways to get around this is to either use decaf beans, boil out the alcohol at 173 to 175 degrees Fahrenheit or 78 to 79 degrees Celsius before bottling for 3 hours and replenish with some cold brew, or not ferment at all, but then it's not mead, so what is it even? Either way, you get rid of one piece of the combo, and the overall flavor will be caramelized a bit.
Uri mama! Boo! Agglomera! Hitos, come! Wonder. Mera! Ako! Iko! Mara! Doma! Boo! Agglomera! Doma! Hello? Doma! Doma! Allez hop! Ooh! Wonder. Esma.